Hi everyone, welcome to April 21st, Math 8, Views of a Solid. I'm going to begin with today showing you just that example 3 from Anywhere Math, where you're going to see the different views of a solid again, how you would draw them.
So we're going to do this triangular prism. So the front view is if it's sitting like this, what does it look like coming from the front? Well, when we're drawing these views, you can't see 3D. So when we draw it, it's just going to be a 2D shape. So from the front, all you see is you see this bottom line and that top, and then it just looks like a straight line coming down. We can't draw it angled like we know it is. It's just coming straight down. So the front view, make sure you label each of these. Front view would look just like a rectangle. There's my front view. Next, the side view. Again, well, that would be coming from the side. Well, we know the side of this triangular prism is a triangle here. That's one of those bases. So side view is just a little triangle. And keep in mind, these heights here should be the same, right? Okay. So keep that in mind when you're making your drawing. It wouldn't make sense to draw a huge triangle if that was my front view. And finally, the top. What does it look like when you look at this figure from the very top, straight down? So if I turn it and you look, well, it's going to look like a rectangle with this line right in the middle, okay, for that top edge. So that's your top view. So you're going to have another rectangle, but that's going to have that line going right through the middle.
Okay, let's now look at our textbook at example 3, which asks you to draw the front, side, and top views of the eraser. And so the front view is a parallelogram. The side view is a rectangle. The top view is a rectangle. Let me show you the extra example tutorial to help you as well.
Draw the front, side, and top views of the solid. First, let's draw the front view. Imagine that this T is made out of blocks and you can move around to look directly at each face. The face that is the front is highlighted in blue. The front view looks like a T, so we will draw a T for the front view. Now let's draw the side view. Imagine that you move to the side and see the orange face of the solid. This face would look like a square on top of a rectangle. So draw this as the side view. Finally, let's draw the top view. For the top view, imagine that you are able to stand above the solid and look down on this face. The top view would look like a rectangle. These drawings are the front, side, and top views of the solid.
So a picture that I took from our book also shows views of a solid when you're using cubes. And so you can see the color coding on this picture as well, showing the front, the side, and the top view. So in packet 2 that you were mailed home, you had this worksheet and other front, side, and top view worksheets that I put in as well. And so I'm going to ask you to look at the lesson plan that I emailed to your parents. You can see again the assigned daily lessons, but I wanted to show you just the example here too, when you do participate in this worksheet, how it's giving you examples. And then I wanted to show you just the first 4 answers, just so that you'll know what to do. And so this lesson here asks you to look at the front, right side, left side, top, and back views of the drawing. And so if it's asking you what is the front view, if it were to look like this, the top view, and the right side view, it would be this answer right here. So I'll just leave this up for a moment for you to take a look at, or you can come back to this and pause. But I wanted to show you just the answer for the first 4 problems here. Okay, so for your practice for today, I'm going to ask you to go on IXL and go into Math 8 and click on letter S, which is three-dimensional figures, and practice front, side, and top views. See your learning plan again that was emailed to your parents. If you have any questions, please have them email me. I hope that you all have a great day, and I will see you soon.